Hi folks, and welcome back. Today I've got something a little bit different from the usual shoes. I have this Alexander McQueen bag. I actually got this for my other half as a birthday present. Her birthday's coming up soon. This bag isn't produced anymore, but it's one that she was after. I managed to source this one, which is in quite nice condition. So today, I'm just going to give it a good clean and spruce up to make it look really nice. There are a few little spots like this. Also, I just want to give the leather a condition, just to keep it really nice, especially for the future. So the first thing I'm going to do is just give it a clean on the inside and out. The inside's not too bad, but does have a few marks. And to clean this, I'm just going to use the Worth Interior Cleaner, something I use quite a lot. Inside's had a good spray and clean with the brush. Next thing I want to do is I want to take any sort of dirt and debris that's been brushed out. I want to soak it up. So what I'm going to do, spray the interior cleaner again. That'll foam up and pull out all the dirt. I'll just be able to wipe it up with a tissue. Lastly, I'm just going to use a horsehair brush. This will just brush out any debris, little bits of tissue that's left over. Give it a little tip upside down, let gravity help as well. With the inside freshened up, I'm just going to leave this open to dry off. The interior cleaner does dry quite well. Now I'm just going to focus on the outside. I think just to get all those little marks and things off, give it a good freshen up. I'm going to again use the interior cleaner. And this soft brush. I think I'll start on these handles here. With the bag and strap cleaned, just going to give it another brush over with a horsehair brush. Again, just to get off any debris. Next, I'm just going to add some nourishment and moisturiser to this. I'm going to do this by treating it with some Saphir Renovateur. This is a leather moisturiser and also nourishes as well. The bag itself is not too bad, it's actually quite nice, but this will help longevity. The strap, on the other hand, it's got a few dry bits, especially around here. Don't want it to start cracking, so this is a really good preventative measure. And with this, I just put a little bit on a finger. I think I'll start from here. Just work it in. Now when I do this, I tend to work in areas. So just now I'm just working in this area. And then I'll go into the one next to it. With this getting moisturised, it's also a really good time to shape the bag. With the moisture going into it, it really softens up the leather. And when this dries off a bit, the leather will retain the shape that it's dried in. A bit like if you dry clothes or anything like that. If you dry them quite crushed, they'll stay crushed. If you dry them nice and flat, they'll stay quite flat as well. Same goes with the leather. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this opportunity, just while it dries off, to give it a bit of a shape as well. Now it's had a good coat with the Renovateur. I've stuffed it full of tissue, just to help bulk it out a little bit. Now I'm just going to shape it to the shape that I want to have it when it dries. And once I've done that, I'm going to work on the belt and give that a good covering of the Renovateur as well. Now for just a little bit of polish. Don't want to be too vigorous with this, just because I don't want to take the plating off it. The Renovateur has worked wonders on the bag, but more especially for the strap. I noticed a huge difference. The strap was really dry before and it felt a bit brittle in certain places. It feels a lot better now. So again, with the horsehair brush, just going to brush off the residue, give this a little bit of a polish up. I'm really happy with how this turned out. It does look better, but it also smells and feels a lot fresher as well. The added Renovateur has really helped, especially on the strap. As I said, it was feeling a little dry and brittle, and now it's really, really nice and flexible. I'm going to spend some time before I wrap it up, just to add a little bit more shape into certain places. But overall, Really happy with how this turned out. Anyway folks, thanks for watching. Please feel free to hit the thumbs up. It really does help with the channel. If you want to see more, check out my other videos. And feel free to subscribe, hit that bell notification. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.